Did you know you can now talk a song into existence? Google just turned Gemini into a full-scale music studio using their most advanced model yet, Lyria 3. This isn't just about making a beat. Gemini creates a complete 30-second track with instruments, lyrics and vocals, and it even generates custom cover art for you. Let's look at how it works, starting with text to track. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your Gemini app on your phone. In here, you will see an option where it says create music. The best part here is that you don't need to be a songwriter. Gemini automatically generates the lyrics based on your idea. Whether you want a nostalgic Afrobeat song or a comical R&B jam, you get high-fidelity 48K Hz audio in just a matter of seconds. What we're going to do is we're going to give it a prompt, make a comical song about a sock finding its match. And we're going to hit the search button. It usually doesn't take too long for Gemini to create the song. So now we can see we have the song here. I'm going to hit the play button.
Another spin cycle, man, this is bleak. Been floating solo for more than a week. Oh my gosh, I see you.
Okay, so that is one option. The next is the multi-modal feature. You can upload a photo or a video and Gemini will actually read the vibe. It analyzes the expression, the location, and the scene to compose a soundtrack that perfectly matches your visuals. What we're going to do is we're going to hit create music. We're going to hit the plus option and we're going to go to gallery. Now in gallery, we're going to search for a photo and I'm going to click on this photo. And then I'm basically going to say, make a fun song about my cat in the snow. And we're going to hit the search button again. Now what I found is that whenever you're uploading a photo or a video, it can take slightly longer for the music to be created. Again, we'll hit the play button.
Look at all the fresh white snow. Where did all this magic grow? Paws go tiptoe, soft and slow.
For those who want more precision, you have total creative control. You can specify the genre, the tempo, the instrumentation, and even the age or gender of the singer. So we're going to hit create music. And we're going to put 110 BPM, Irish folk song, no vocals. And we're going to hit the search button again. So you can even use negative prompts to tell Gemini exactly what to exclude, like saying no drums or no vocals to get the exact sound that you need. So let's talk about transparency. Every track generated here is embedded with Synth ID. This is an invisible digital watermark that stays in the audio even if the file is compressed or edited. You can actually use Gemini to verify audio. Just upload a file and ask if it was made with Gemini AI and it will check for that Synth ID marker for you. So we'll give this a listen. If you are a creator, the same technology is powering YouTube Dream Track, helping you build custom soundtracks for your shorts. The feature is currently in beta for users 18 and older and supports multiple languages including English, Spanish, French and Hindi. If you have a Google AI subscription like Gemini Advanced, you also enjoy higher generation limits. Just go to gemini.google.com and start composing. It's a fun, unique way to express yourself and add a custom soundtrack to your daily life. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.